Hi, greetings. A clean coffee machine makes better coffee. Do this every day to keep your machine spick and span. Step 1. Let's backflush. Use the blanking disc and cleaning crystals. Press the water button on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off 10 times and then flush for 25 seconds. Step 2. Remove the shower screens. These will be different depending on your machine, but they will come off. These are hot. Be careful. Use a cloth where possible. Clean the screens thoroughly and then replace them in reverse order. Ensure you replace them correctly. Block first, then the ridged screen. Lastly the smooth disc and bolt. Pop out the filter basket from your portafilter and clean both parts thoroughly. This can be tricky. Use a teaspoon to help if needed. Step 4. Remove wire tray and drip tray. Then, clean and replace. Reassemble after cleaning. Step 5. Clean and polish the exterior of your machine. Here's a quick recap. Keep it clean and it will reward you for a long time. Backflush your machine. Remove and clean the shower screens. Take apart and clean the portafilter. Remove and clean the drip tray. Finally, polish the exterior of your machine. Thank you.